The course is very special because of a number of reasons. The first one being the very small staff-student ratio. That means we have quite small classes here. The course is also taught by a range of academics as well as former industry professionals, so making sure that students get the theoretical and practical guidance when it comes to learning on the course.
We have 3 accreditations from professional bodies: the Market Research Society qualification, the Chartered Institute of Public Relations qualification, and the Chartered Institute of Marketing qualification. That gives us the opportunity to provide students with marketing experience across all aspects of marketing, communications, and analytics.
When I first came here, I came here on an open day. The place on campus, the greenery, it's amazing. I felt the sense of community, even like walking around with the tour. I saw the student ambassador saying hi to multiple people on campus, so that was really great.
They actually can get internships while they're studying, related to the syllabus, related to the needs of small and medium-sized businesses to actually get involved with marketing planning and campaign planning. And therefore, when they graduate, they're very qualified.
In my 3 years, I've had plenty of opportunities, but I think the one that stands out the most is the business clinic. Talks with the industry-specific professionals, and I've had the great chance to meet a business owner that I'm still in contact today, and we're still working together. So it was really great to be involved in a project like that.
What job am I going to get at the end of this? If I'm going to be spending X amount of money on tuition fees, what job am I going to get? We will give them skills and provide them real-time experiences through the modules that we teach them to make sure that when they go into that workplace, people aren't going to have to hold their hand. They can just go straight into it and be an important part of that workforce.
So I feel like I'm really ready for my next steps because of the support I've received all throughout these 3 years. It has shaped me to a person that businesses would really like to employ, and I have to thank St. Mary's and the people at uni for that.
Thank you very much.